everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
Limbic system is basically the collection of many parts, many brain parts, and that collection is called as limbic system. For example, many parts of the brain collectively known as limbic system. Okay, in other words, now what are those parts? You have to remember those parts, those names of the brain which are involved, which are forming limbic system. So number one is dentate gyrus, and as you know, and you have already studied the cerebrum, and if you haven't watched that video, you should watch that video first. Cerebrum. So cerebrum पर dentate gyrus होता है, temporal lobe पर, ठीक है. फिर पैरा हिप्पोकैम्पल गायरस है, वो भी टेम्पोरल लोब पर होता है. और हिप्पोकैम्पस है, हिप्पोकैम्पस भी टेम्पोरल लोब के पास होता है. और हिप्पोकैम्पस लर्निंग और मेमोरी में हेल्प करता है. अच्छा, ये जो तीन स्ट्रक्चर के मैंने नाम लिए ना, डेंटेट गायरस, पैरा हिप्पोकैम्पल गायरस एंड हिप्पोकैम्पस, दे टुगेदर फॉर्म हिप्पोकैम्पल फॉर्मेशन. हिप्पोकैम्पल फॉर्मेशन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 parts which I have already told you. Now hippocampal formation is the part of limbic system. Okay, now further more parts are cingulate gyrus, which is present on the frontal lobe, and hypothalamus, as you know, it is present below the thalamus, and it is connected with the hippocampus through fornix. What is fornix? Fornix is C-shaped structure which is basically help in transferring the information from hippocampus to hypothalamus. Now what is amygdaloid nuclei? Because it is also the part of the limbic system. Amygdaloid nuclei are the almond shape, and it control emotions, and it is present in front of fornix. And near the amygdaloid nuclei, mammillary bodies are also present. Mammillary bodies are paired shaped small bodies which are present also near to the amygdaloid nuclei. Limbic system, the topic of the limbic system is very short, so now we have to move towards the function. The function of the limbic system is to control with the emotion, sex life, behavior, food timings, कि कितने बजे खाना खाना है, कब भूख लगी है, तो वो लिम्बिक सिस्टम है. फिर एग्रेशन, कितना गुस्सा आ रहा है. फिर लर्निंग में, मेमोरी में, फ्रेंडशिप में, अगर आपको किसी की नेचर अच्छी लगती है, आप किसी से दोस्ती करते हो, तो वो जो फ्रेंडशिप है वो लिम्बिक सिस्टम के थ्रू हो रही होती है, ठीक है. अगर आपको किसी से डर लग रहा है, किसी चीज़ से फेयर है, तो वो भी लिम्बिक सिस्टम कंट्रोल कर रहा होता है. ये है. Now one more point which I have forgot to tell you, that all the parts which I have told you of the limbic system, they together form a ring-like structure on the medial surface of the cerebral hemisphere. Okay, so basically between two cerebral hemisphere you can say that limbic system is present. Okay, or inside the cerebral hemisphere, but they are on the medial wall. You can easily see that there is a ring-like structure, or if you see any diagram, so you can say that yes, it is a ring-like structure. So remember this point as well. So this was the whole topic, and this is very easy. So limbic system is now done. Thank you so much. Work hard, study hard, and good luck. Bye. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.